3-ingredient whoopie pies. I just had to try this. Now, I'm using the Walmart spice cake mix because the Betty Crocker only has 13 ounces and I think it's messing up my recipes. And this has 15 ounces. It's pumpkin spice mix. Ooh, this smells spicier than the other one too. Very interesting. I wonder if there's more spices or not. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna take my trusty scoop and scoop out my cookies. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but you can take a rag or a dish towel or whatever, just a little bit of flour, and I'm just going to flatten them just a bit, just so they'll be more whoopie pie shaped. Okay, I'm gonna bake these, then we'll fill them. All right, I let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes on the cookie sheet to finish cooking. Oh my goodness, these smell so delicious. We're gonna let them cool and we're gonna fill them. Now, I'm gonna take one cookie. Now this is leftover cream cheese frosting. You can just use the regular cream cheese frosting if you want, but I had some leftover from another video. So, I'm going to put it in here. And I might need more. And put one on there. Oh, that looks so delicious. Oh, yum.